Alright, you guys, real quick, short video. Centurion with a 450 horse PCM engine. It's a 2022 Ri230. Doing an impeller change. Got to do them every 50 hours. That's what the manual says. This one has about 40 some on it. Had to do an oil change, maintenance reasons, and had to do impeller at 50, so, and oil changes are due at 50, so I kept them, going to keep them both the same. Anyway, so this is the one I just removed. It's in a lot better condition than I've seen other people remove theirs at 50 hours, so I will keep this as a spare just in case there's an issue. Alright, so to tell you how this all works, so here is the front of said pulley for the impeller. Those nice 3 holes line up here with your 3 bolts, which you take out. They are a size 10 millimeter, and I used a deep well with a short extension, 3/8 inch drive, and it goes right here. So I use my 1/2 inch drive to release the tension on the belt, pop the belt off to the side, lined up my 3 holes on the pulley, unscrewed the 3 bolts, 10 millimeter bolts, which are captured. Let me get that back out. 3 bolts are captured by little O-rings on them. That's a new O-ring for the front of the impeller pump. A piece of paint on there. That's the 3 old ones. Here's the impeller that I put in. So, removed 3 10 millimeter bolts, pulled the pulley off, pulled the old impeller out with a needle nose, took the new impeller, put some petroleum jelly on it, put it back in the hole. See if I can get it out and put it back in the hole by twisting a little bit by hand. And I'm getting ready just to shove the pulley back in there, tighten up the 3 10 mils, and call it good. Quick and easy video. Hope this helps somebody.